Welcome to this class. So in this class, we're going to learn how to design free sign-up form with your Android phone using a MailChimp account. My name is Yakub Abdikarim, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and turn on the notification. So anytime I drop any videos that will be useful for you, be able to get the notification. So let's get started. So we want to see how we can use an Android phone to set up a sign up form to capture the contact details of our audience. So that's what we're trying to learn in this video. So and the tools we're going to use is just the MailChimp account, which is free. So what we're going to do, we just log on to. So the purpose of this is just for us to capture the contact details of our audience. Then two, we are using MailChimp to set up the account. So the first thing we're going to do, how do we set up the MailChimp account? So now we just need to go to MailChimp. You type MailChimp, just type on your browser, your Chrome browser, MailChimp.com. MailChimp.com. So MailChimp.com. After that, you get to this page. So you see this is not where we're going. So after that, we then click on the circled icon here. We click on it so that we see the menu. So we are going to sign up for free. So you can see if you have account, you just log in. If you don't have account, you sign up for free. So let's click on the sign up. Then we are going to put in our details now. Put in our details. So we put your email address. Let me put this. Okay, username. Let me put Karen. So let me add my password. Now for your password, you can see what you have there. You must have at least one lowercase character, one special character, then 8 characters, at least 8 characters minimum, one uppercase character, and one number. So all this must be present in your password for it to be accepted. So let me just put in my sorry for that. Okay, you can see if everything is included. You see your password is secure and you are all set. Then we click on this and sign up. So once this is what you're going to receive immediately you sign in. So we've sent a message to this account. So the next thing is for us to go to our Gmail and open it to verify the account. So now I've opened my Gmail account. So the next is for me to check. You can see MailChimp Claim Service, activate your MailChimp account. So I'll open it. So it's now opened now. So I have to click on activate account. Click on activate account. So let's get this show on the road. So I'm not a robot. You just click on I'm not a robot. So after clicking that, we're going to have this section. So step 1 of 3, you are not paying, so we are not going for premium, we are not going for this, so we are going for free. As you can see, it's already clicked. So we're going for free. So we just go now under this free section. We have you can have 2,000 contacts, and once you get to that 2,000 contacts, you can try to remove some wanted contacts when you get to 2,000, so that you will not ask to come and pay again. So once you are closer to 2,000, just remove them. since there's a way you are going to do it. We are going to capture their details. We go and save it somewhere, then we'll be able to put another people there. You understand? So that's what we're going to do. So just click on next. So after that, then enter your name, first name. Let me just put different name. So I have account already. Last name. Let me put okay. Business name. So website. It's not. This one is optional. If you don't have a website, just leave down below. Your phone number. You can put your phone number there. Let me put. Right. Doesn't matter. Let me put 070. So the next thing is to click continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. So address line. So you put in your address, your normal address. Just put your normal because of the email stuff. Put your normal address. So let me just put. So just put only one. It's okay. Street. Then city. That is let's say Korodu. Then state, Lagos. Then postal code. So this your postal code. You just go to your browser again and just write your area. For instance, if it's Ikeja postal code or Ikeja zip code. So let me go there and I do that. So I've got that. That's my country. So fill all these details. Continue. So tell us about your contacts. Do you have any contacts? I don't have. You click on I don't have. Continue. No, that's no. Do you sell product or services? Services. If it is product, click. If it is both, click both. You understand? Click both. But for me, let me just click services. How do you currently sell online? On our website or e-commerce store, another business website or e-commerce store. Just click anyone you want. It doesn't matter. So continue. Select additional emails you want to receive from MailChimp. Okay, this one is not necessary. You can just click e-commerce newsletter. MailChimp presents a monthly newsletter. Whichever one, just click anyone you want there. I'll just click on that one. Account all set up. Let's dive in. So if this is you are done now. So what would you like to create? Add your contact, launch, and so on and so forth. Total audience 1. So this is everything is set up now. So the next is just for us to now start, go to where you want to do. So the next is just to click on this menu bar. So we click on the menu bar here. So let's click on the menu bar and see what we have. The account is already created. So you can see we have this menu. We have create audience, campaign, automation, website, content. So we don't have any problem with all this one now. For this video, let's just go to, you click on create. This one, you click on it. So just click on create. Then to take us to where we are going. So email, we don't have any issue with email. We don't want to create any email. Customers, a website, landing page. We want to sign up form. That's where we are going. Sign up form is what we want to do. Now we now have different types of sign up form. Embedded form, pop-up form, sign up, landing page. So we don't need the first two. So we're looking at the last one, which is the sign up landing page. So we click on that. So here now it will ask us landing page name. So the audience you have already is the name of your company. That's just it. Geomap. So the landing page, what do you want to use it for? I want to use traffic secrets. Let me put that on. So I want to use this one. Then I'll click on begin. So we have started creating the sign up form now. Now the next stage is for us to select a template. This template may include placeholder. We don't know this one, just accept. So let's look at Since the purpose of this is for us to capture the details of our audience, so we look for grow your list. Understand? Grow your list. So we are going to make use of this one. This is what we are making use of. So we just click on it. That's the template we are using. So we then start. So why now after loading, this is all going to have. So this is it. Now if you have logo, you can put your logo here. This is the logo section. You can put your logo. Now I need to explain some things here. Firstly, let me start with this icon here that looks like less than. So that one is for you to navigate to where you are going to type your things. You are going to be using some elements there. So let me click on it. After clicking on it, I'm going to have this. Because I clicked on logo to ask if I have logo, it asked me to load any logo that I want to use. So I will just upload. But if I don't have, so there's nothing to use there. So I will just close it. So I don't want to use logo for this one. So what I will just do is this. I'll click on it. After clicking on it, so what I will just do now, I have to delete that section of logo. So after clicking on it, this is what you are going to have. So this is delete. If you want to duplicate, this is duplicate, and if you want to edit, this is edit icon. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll just click on delete. Since yes, I'm very sure, I'll just click on delete. So that one has gone. Is that I believe that is clear. Then you can also use this icon here, this thing, to move that container to that container content block. We can move this one to the content block now. That's what I'm going to do now. I'll just drag it. I'll drag it to this place. So you drag it here. Now you can see I've moved it. So after clicking on it, just drop it and click on it. So I've moved it to this place now. So the next thing is for me to edit it. I want to put a headline, a powerful headline. So what I will just do, the headline might be whatever you have, but from what we have discussed in the training before, so you should know the kind of headlines that will catch the attention of your audience, so that will make them to want to do whatever you ask them to do. So I've deleted what I have there, so I will now type another thing there. So let me just type. This is just for training, so it depends. The next is for you to do whatever. So the next thing is for you to put your desired headline there. So I want to put free. Let me make everything cap. Free. Wait, I want it to be at the center. I'll click on this. I want it to bold. Let me bold it. Bolding it. Then I want the letter to be the color. Now before I go, sorry, let me go back. Now you see, this aspect is just, if you are very good at using Microsoft Word, everything is just same thing with Microsoft Word. So the A that it is underlined there is the letter or the character color. You understand? Then the one beside it is the background of the sentence. If you want to change the background, if you want it to have red background or whatever, so this is the one you're going to click on. Then we change it. So that is that on that. So because I want it to have a black color, the text, good, I've changed this, and I want the background to be red. I'll change. So I'll type now. Let me now type. Let me type. Free ebook. I just want to put free ebook, or let me change it to traffic secret. Traffic secret. ebook ebook download. Ebook download. So that's the headline I want to use now. So as you can see, while it's not at the center, change it to be at the center right now. Good. So the next thing, let me try to highlight everything. Let me highlight. You know, you have to be very careful when you are doing all these things, so it will be changing. So I want to highlight and change the color now. Let me change the color now. So the color to black, then the background to red. That will give more attraction. It's okay. I'll save and close. That one is done. Let me go back. As you can see, that is the headline. So I can also change the size. I can adjust the size. I want it to be very big. Yeah, I want it to be very big. Sorry. So I'll highlight it. I can increase the size. So this is size here. You can use this one to increase the size. So let me put it as 14 and let's see how it will look like. I think it's better this way. Save and close. Just click on save and close. That one is okay. So I've increased the size. Here, the next one is the body. Here. So I can, yes, now here I have to put in some things there. Let me just go and copy something and paste there. So delete everything you have there. Delete everything. Delete everything. Make sure everything is deleted. Good. So we have deleted everything now. So let me go to where I want to copy. So I want to copy this one. Yeah, so let me copy this. Copy. So I've copied it. Good. So let me go back. I'll paste. Yeah, I've pasted it. So I want to have everything at the center. Good. Then let's just click on any side, any line, and click on center. Good. Centered. This one too is already centered. Others are centered. So that is that on that one. So if I want to, then the next one is for me to highlight everything now. Let me highlight everything. So I want to give it color. That is black as well. Black. Good. Then there's nothing for me to, I think that's okay. I think it has changed. Save and close. Now, good. I said, because I picked black. Let me go back. I want black, not red. I think I made a mistake. So let me click on black. Aha. It's black now. Save and close. So let's go back. So it's now black. Aha. Okay. I think okay. Let me adjust something here. You can see the space is too much. Now just click on it. There's some space at the bottom. Okay, good. Let me see if there is any. No, not so nice. Good. Okay, I think it's better now. So the next is for us to work on the details we want our audience to drop. So we click on this. Click on it. That's block. So after clicking it, just click on the pencil icon. Good. Now we want them to drop their email. That one is constant case, that one is there. So I want their first name. I'll click on that. Since I want their first name, I have to check it that it is compulsory. So if you don't check it, if they don't put it, they will still go. Then I don't need their last name. If you need their address, you can as well click their address, then their phone number, their birthday. So I only needed their phone number. Then I also check it. That one too. So after doing that, so let's go back and see what we have there. You see it will have changed. You can see email address, first name, phone number, everything is there now. So the next is for us to now design it the way we want it to be. You can see we have subscribe. Now let me just good. We go back. So I will now, the next thing is for me to go to style. I have this content. We have worked on the content, what we want to have there. Then the style is what we're going to click on now. So click on the style, click on style, then good. So the block container background, so that container we want it to have a background that will be different from others too. So we can pick any color of our choice. So once you have, just go back, let's have a very light color. Let me have something like this, or something like this, something like this. Is too okay. I'm still looking at the, or should we leave it as at this, something like, okay, I think let's pick this. Let's pick this and see what we're going to have there. Okay. Let's see. It's too. So you go back, click on this. Let's see. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, I think this is okay. Depends on what you want. So it's okay. This one is okay. So that one is gone. Then the font style of the label. So let me go to, I think I want something of this nature. Montserrat. Good. I've changed that one. The size is okay. I don't have issue with the size. Style, alignment is okay where it is. You can put it at the center. If you put it at the center, this is what you're going to have. So it depends, but I think to be at that side is okay. You understand? Okay, we are on style. So it is okay to be by the side, by the left hand side. Line is okay. Form input, text color, black is okay. Background of it is okay like that. Border, let's have a border. I want it to have a border. Okay, I've given it insert is not. Let me put insert outside. Solid, let me put solid. Good. Solid is okay. Now I want the edge to be round, have a rounded edge. Look at this. You can see that it's changing. Good. Let me go back. Let me increase it. Okay, I think it's okay this way. You can see what I did. Okay, good. I think it's okay this way. Okay, let's move on. It's very straightforward. Then font, button style. Button style. We have not changed. Let me go back and change the button. I don't want subscribe now is what is there. So I don't want subscribe now. I want to put. Let me put something like send. I'm coming. Let's put it all cap. Click. I'm coming. Click now to download. Click now to download. I think this one is okay. So let's go back to style. Click to download. So button style, let's give mascara as well. Your call to action button must be something that we must be catching as well too. So size, I think the size is always the size. Let me see, the size is okay. Has it changed it? No. Yeah, the style is okay. Okay, size, let me change the size. It's 18, let's see 14. This is going to be on a single line. Yes, it's okay like this. It's on a single line now. On a single line. You can see, okay, good. So let's move on to the, after that, 14 is okay. Bold, let's it be bold, good. Alignment at the center, good. Line height, I don't need that one. Padding, all those ones are. So let's now change the button. Let's change the button to black. Black, we want black. Black, good. Or let's pick red. Let's pick red. Let's pick red. Dark red, good. Good. I think it's okay. Rounded corner for the button now. I want rounded corner as well too. Just click yes. Good. Rounded corner. Let's see what we have there. Can you see? Beautiful. It's good. Please, this thing will be changing. So just by this side here, this area is what you should be looking at. So once it's changed, just you can see that we are at what's it called, details section. So you click on that area, it will take you back to that stage. So I've clicked on it. You can see we are now in sign up form again. So we go back to our style. Okay, button style. I think we don't need that one. Border, yes, let's have a border. Let's have a border for it. Sorry, something. Let's have a border for it. Click on it. I want solid as well. Solid, good. Color of the border, let it be black. So we need to change the border color. So let it be, we want it to be black. So click on black. Okay, I think we are done with that one. We don't want shadow. Hover style, button hover style. So let's just have background. Let it be, let's have it to be blue. I don't want red, no. I want something like blue, not black. Blue. Okay, let it be, or green. Okay, let it be very light green. Okay, I think it's okay. What else again? Set green. You have to be very careful with this stage. One has to be very careful. Green. So keep on changing itself. Okay, so I think border, I think it's okay. So let's save and close and see how it looks like. So let's go back. I think this is everything that we have. So let's preview what we have done so far. Let's preview it. This is how it will look like on desktop. Let's check on mobile. This is how it will look like on mobile. So You can see this is what we have there. If you click on this one, you can see the color is changing. I asked you to, okay, so you just need to adjust it. I think this heading we need to change. You need to let it be more attractive, so we just need to go back now. Then we're almost done. So close this, just close it. I think let's close it. Sorry. Now let's change this headline. So I want to change the background color. Let me highlight it. Okay, let me change the background color to white. Okay, I've done that. Let me let it be bold. Good. Now let me increase the size to 16. Okay, Travis Secret ebook download. Let me change it to, I think I have a headline that I have already here. Good. Free ebook. Okay, let me see if I can use that one. Free ebook download. Free ebook. Now I've changed the headlines now, so let me duplicate this block. I'll put another thing there, so let me change it, duplicate it. So I've duplicated it. You can see, okay, this is what I clicked. So let me now change this one to a free ebook download. So this one will now be a free ebook download. I'll delete these ones, so it should now be a free a free ebook download on how to get free customers online. So online. So let's go back and see what we have there. So okay, this is it. So let me adjust it again a little bit. So move it up. Okay, is there any other one there? Okay, so let me change the color to black. Change the color to black. Okay, I've changed that, so I think it's better right now. So let's see. Okay, now good. So let me click save and close. So let's check it and let's preview it. See how it looks like. This on desktop. Good. Let's check on mobile. Good. So you can as well add any picture. I will show you how you can do that. If you want to add picture, I think that's okay. This one is okay. So I think that's all. That's all now. But we still have one more thing to do. Now if anybody should click on this, click now to download. Click now to download. So where will it take us to? So this one has to take us to our DM, our WhatsApp DM. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'll click on that section. So I'll click, no, this is not what I want to do. So I want to click yes. So I'll go to content. Let's go to the click on now. After clicking on the click now to download, this call to action button, send to, after form is submitted, send visitors to, is it a confirmation message? No, we want it to send it to a web address. We click on web address. So it will ask to ask us where is the web address. We now type the web address. So the web address we're using now is our WhatsApp DM. That meant the one we created in the previous video. So let me go. I think I have it here now. I have it here. Sorry. So this is it here. Using the WhatsApp link, the link we generated. So I'll copy the link. I've copied it. So I will now go to this place. I'll paste it here. I'll paste it. So I've pasted it. So that's all. So we test it out now and see how it will go. So after that, I think that's all for now. So you can do more than this. So this is just for training. Let me show you another thing you can also as well do here. You see we have blocks here. This text block. If you want to add another text, you can click on this one. You want to add image, click on the image button. I don't need the image though. So you click on the image. You click on the image. You understand? If you want to use a image group, you have different kind of images you want to use. You can click on that one. Image and text, you want them to be together. You have that one as well there. So you want to put your social handles, Facebook and the likes. You can also put that one there too. Payment, you want to add payment. You want to add your product and so on, promote code and so on and so forth. You have just click on it and drag it to the place. That's all about that one. So I think that's the end of all this one now. So everything is set now. So let's preview it. After that we then save and close. So let's preview it again. This is it. Good. Then on mobile, this is it. It's good. I think it's good to go now. So let's now close it. Then the next one is just for us to save. We save it. You need to save. So for you to save now, what you just need to do, you click on this icon. Click here. So once that is clicked, you just go down. You see this icon here, this one at the bottom. Save and close. Click on save and close. Everything is done. So I will now tell you the next thing to do. So we are going to get the link here again. The link generated that we get is you go and paste it somewhere. So wherever you put your links, so whoever clicked on it, they will land on this sign up form. They will fill their details. So once they click on the call to action button, they will land on your email your WhatsApp DM. So this is it now. So page title, this is the URL of the landing page that we just created now. So we copy it, the content, everything. This is it. So we are not tracking anything. So what we are going to do, it will only, so once you click on publish, it will be published. Then we now copy this. So let's click on publish. We publish it. After publishing it, let's see what is going to happen. So it has been published. Good. So we now click this, we copy this URL. Let me copy it. Copy the link address. I've copied it, right? Yes, good. I've copied it. Let me now do something now. Let me go and save it somewhere. So let me save it here. Let me put it on my notes here. That is traffic secret sign up form. So this is it here now. This is it. Good. Now let's test it. Let me click on it. Open. Let me open it. You can see. Good. This is what they are going to land on. So you design it, let it be final better than this one. So let me now put in my details. Let me just put in my details. Let me put in my details. First name Jide. Yes, my phone number is there. So let's click download now. Let's see where it's going to take us to. Wow. Boom. Masha, this is great. You can see it has taken us to our DM. Hello Yakubu, I'd love to part of your webinar on this. So that's all. Then you put in your name. So once your name is let me put my name, Jide again. Let me put Jide. Good. Let's click and see what you're going to have. So that's it. You can see. Did you notice something after it? So after some seconds, you receive this message. I'll still show you how you are going to do this one. This is what we call automation. You don't have to be there to do everything. So everything will be automated. Everything will be from beginning to the end will be automated. You don't have to stress yourself. Just set everything up and go and sleep. So customer will just be coming. They will be sending anything to you, and it will be responding automatically. That is just it. No more than this. I think we are done with this class. So if you find this video useful, please click on the like button and so that it will encourage me to do more. So thank you very much for this class. So we meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.